Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Heartland, the beloved television series, has captivated audience for these endearing characters and hurtful stories. Among the tourist cast member, Borden, portrayed by Graham Wardle, stood out as a fan favorite. However, in the talking turn of events, the latest season brought about the devastating twist that left viewers heartbroken. This video delves into the Wardle of the season to lead the show and emotional impact it had on cast, crew, and local fans. In the last episode of season 13, both Ty and his wife Amy faced a life-threatening situation as they were shot. Nevertheless, their resilience prevailed and they returned home after receiving the medical treatment, bringing a sense of happiness and relief to the season's conclusion. It seemed as though they had overcome the harrowing experience and everything was back to the normal. However, season 14 shattered this illusion in very first episode. In the premiere of season 14, Tragedy Shock, when the Ty Borden was embarked on the routine ride with his horses Spartan, unexpectedly, Jack collapsed, leaving Amy, Lindy in shock. Crossing to his side, they soon discovered a devastating truth. Ty has passed away immediately due to the complications from his previous wounds, especially a blood clot. The sudden demise of Ty left hurt and fans in disbelief and despair, wondering why such a beloved character was taken from them. The day after Ty's heartbreaking death, here, the official Heartland social media account shared a message from the Graham Wardle himself. In a heartfelt video last 12 minutes, Wardle expressed their gratitude to the fans for the unwearying support throughout the year. He actually the deep connection people had formed with the characters and the stories of her calm, but emphasized that all the things come to an end and the death is an integral part of life. Wardle shared his personal journey, explained that he had been feeling a profound need for change. Despite not knowing where the change would lead him, he decided to follow his heart. After nearly 16 years on the show, Wardle felt the desire to explore new opportunities in his career. Making a difficult decision to step away from the Heartland, was it way to seeking truth and embracing a different path. Following his departure announcement was not provided further insight into his decision. In an email statement to the Canadian press, he expressed that he felt it was a time to embark on a new direction and move forward in his career. Wardle now hosts the postcard titled The Time Is Here, where he planned to share more about his decision and his profound appreciation for 14 years he spent on Heartland. Notably, he has even welcomed Heartland guests Amber Marshall and Jessica Emily on his podcast. While it was undoubtedly disheartening to witness Wardle's departure after such a long time on show, it is not uncommon for the actors to seek new challenges beyond a single character. The desire for change and growth in life is a natural innovation, even for those who have dedicated years to a particular role. Although the details of any desired agreement with the immortal and cast and crew of the Heartland remain unknown, it is crucial to respect this decision, and acting list has tried to pursue a different avenue. Just a day after Graham Wardle's announcement, the official Heartland account shared another video, this time featuring Amber Marshall, who's portrayed Amy Fleming. In the Heartland video, Marshall opened about the chemistry she shared with the Wardle and the deep friendship they deeply over the years. She candidly expressed his feeling of going through the breakup when Wardle informed her of his departure. Marshall recognized the significance of portraying death and belief on screen, understanding the importance of story's evolution. Despite her sadness, Wardle takes it. She emphasized with the narrative need and the potential for the growth within the Heartland. That's it for today's video, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.